Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by getting the basics out of the way quickly. Install Wunderfind and grant Bluetooth plus location access so the app can detect signals. Once done, sign in or create your account and enable background refresh so tracking continues when the app is minimized. Now open Wunderfind and tap Scan. The app will list nearby tags or accessories. When you see your device, tap its name to begin active tracking. This pairs the session and starts signal strength updates in real time. Once the device is visible, use the signal strength meter and directional indicator to close distance efficiently. Move slowly while watching bars increase to guide you. Make sure to switch modes. Precise search for centimeter-level narrowing, audible ping to trigger a sound, or map view to see last known location. Each mode solves a different problem. You can also filter the device list, rename tags for clarity, and toggle vibration or sound so you react faster when you're near the item. To complete the process, test the device's audible ping and confirm you've located the item, then mark it found so history is accurate. Make sure firmware updates are applied and batteries are fresh. Those steps improve range and reliability. If tracking fails, try this key troubleshooting tip. Restart your phone, toggle Bluetooth and location permissions for Wunderfind, and move to an open area away from dense interference. If needed, rescan the tag and retry the precise search until signal bar.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.